All right, welcome to the intro. We're going to be talking about mental health for men. And it's kind of crazy to think that we could talk about mental health for men and not talk about mental health for women, because that's kind of the other half of the population. And because they exist and we both exist, we should understand each other. So, in the same self care way, we're looking for what is missing from the puzzle in order to solve the issue. So, if we're looking at men, what is missing? We're going to say men are missing all the soft stuff in life and therefore are seeking the soft stuff. Ladies, we'd say that the ladies are missing the solid things and therefore are seeking the solid stuff. For men, again, this means that we want to improve our emotional health. We want to round that out a bit. And for ladies, we want to improve our physical health. This is not fitness, this is not illness, this is the understanding of the cost or experience of an action. Therefore, having a greater understanding to the effort put out to make something happen. I know that's a little bit interesting. We'll get into that in the rest of the video, but this is a good way to start chewing the understanding of what is missing when it comes to mental health for us.